These are just some of the problems that you had for homework that some people struggled with. So I'm just going to go through the answers with you guys. So this is number 7, the first word problem from the worksheet we had that was all focused on dimensional analysis and metric conversions. So it says, Hannah is planning to save every assignment she completes at NA. She is collecting her work and burying it in her backyard in boxes. She estimates that she will produce 8 pages of written work each school day. If there are 180 days each year and Hannah spends 7 years at NA, how many pages of work will be buried in her backyard on the day she graduates? So to break this down, the first thing I would do is I would ask myself, in the end, what are we looking for? And in the end, we are looking for the total number of pages she accumulates. So that lets us know that at the end, that's the unit that we're looking for. So what I would do then next is I would look through the problem and see what ratios I can find. So I would see she will produce 8 pages of written work each school day. So the first thing I would do is I would come down here and I would say 8 pages per day, okay? Then I would say, all right, what other ratios or conversion factors can we see? And then we can say there are 180 days each year, okay? So that gives us 180 days per every year. And then, I would say, okay, is there anything left? And we know she's going to be here 7 years. So then I would just write 7 years. And since we know dimensional analysis has to do with multiplying fractions, I'm just going to take that and put it over 1. If you don't need to put it over 1 to figure it out, that's fine. So if I look at even just how I have it organized now, and like I said, I just wrote these down in the order that they were presented in the word problem. If you'll notice, I want to end with pages, okay? So I don't want that to go anywhere, but everything else needs to cancel out. So let's see. Look, I have day there and days there. So I can cancel those out with each other if I multiply these two fractions. So I'm going to put a little x there to show that I'm multiplying. And then if I go here, look at that. I have year and year that are diagonal from each other. So those I can also cross out. And I'm going to put a little x here to show once again I'm multiplying. Then let's see, I'm only left with pages. And indeed, what did I say I was looking for at the beginning? I was looking for pages. So then all I have to do is put equal, and I just have to punch those numbers into my calculator, or if you're really good at mental math, you can do it in your head. And you get 8 times 180 times 7, and you get 10,080 pages. And that is your answer. Hope that helped. Good luck on your quiz this week.